Hey guys, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's here Ian, and I just wanna talk to you real quick about something that's been on my mind for a while. Yeah, it's about the future of this channel, and honestly why I had to change things up. So let's be real. So this channel, it got freaking messed up. I was posting vlogs, gamings, edits, tutorials, everything was all over the place, and I realized it just wasn't working. It was messy, and even I got confused about what these channels was supposed to be. That's why I decided to make a big change. Starting today, this channel is only for editing tutorials. Yep, editing tutorial, like tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Everything about editing, whether it's CapCut, mobile editing, or other tool, that's what you'll find here from now. No more mixed content, no more randomness, just pure edit. Knowledge to help you get better at what you do. If you wondering where's the vlog or gaming videos or something like that went, don't worry, I didn't delete that part of me. I just moved them to separate channels. My my gaming channels is where I'll be sharing all Roblox games, and my vlogging channel is where I'll post personal stuff and behind the scenes. Everything's more organized now, honestly. It feels way better. So yeah, that's the update. Thanks to everyone who stuck with me through all the randomness and chaos. I'm excited for this new chapter. If you're here to learn editing, you're in the right place right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss anything of the upcoming tutorials. See ya in the next one. Peace out.